video.
Look, here, Amelia got you a gift. Oh, your little sister loves you and wanted to give you a gift.
Oh, it's still got the receipt on it.
Say thank you, Amelia. Thank you.
Looks like she's hungry, Mom.
This will be good for the road trip too.
Yeah.
It's just you fill it up with water, and if I can figure out how to open it, my brain is like so fried.
Oh, hey, you want to go home with me? I can take you home. I can take you
Okay,
home.
we'll figure it out later, but yay! Thank you, Amelia. That's Amelia. That's your baby sister. She got this for you because she loves you, okay? Say thank you. You're such a good little sister because you're such a good little brother or big brother. Oh man, this thing is